looks like you can drive up here and then you can park somewhere inside or maybe out here. So this is a map of the castle. I think there's a lot of places inside. So I heard this castle, inside the castle there's a village, like people actually live in there. Too hot, man. It was freezing when I came in the morning. Like, I was cold. I was wearing a hoodie, but still I feel like so cold. But now it's hot. So I started from the beginning of the castle and I came all the way to the end. So I mean, there's still a little more to go, but look at this. There's some old building there. Probably looks like a church with some symbols of that, but I'm not sure. Yeah, that's it. Look at the buses down there. So nice, right? Wow. This is such a nice place. Like, I'm surprised a lot of people doesn't visit here. Like, so much to offer. I'm not sure where this is leading to, but I just want to have a look. I'm guessing this must be some other way to come up, probably, but maybe not. I don't know. I just don't want to go all the way down. No. Wow, that's amazing. I was there in the morning. I was looking at this flag. I was like, where is this? But now I'm here. That's crazy. So when you walk towards the end, so there is a panorama view. It's really pretty. You can see the national flag of Albania, and this is the view. Really pretty. You can see the whole place. So guys, I'm just walking down the castle. I think it's the same route which I came back, I guess. Looking for a restaurant to have some nice lunch with a good view. Yeah, so yeah, the castle, climbing up to the hill was worth it. Like, the views are amazing. Like, I'm so glad I flew my drone here. I don't think there seems any restrictions as long as you're flying within the range and stuff. Yeah, the basic regulations. But yeah, there's no particular law or any signs of not flying drone around here I've seen or noticed. I saw a couple more people flying drone around here. So yeah, I'm glad I got some really good shots. I'm so excited to show you guys that. And yeah, so I'm heading back down the hill in the castle. It's pretty good view from the top, actually. Yeah, I mean, from the bottom I saw the flag and the castle. I was like, okay, I didn't see any pictures of the view as it is. Like, I'm surprised by the view how it is from the top. So even climbing down, I can still see the view. It's pretty. I think this is the other route I came through. Went up in the a different route, I guess. So going down, I'm going on another route. It's really nice. And there's some shops down the way if you want to buy anything like souvenirs, I think homemade stuff. Yeah, it's really a lot of them around here. I'm thinking to take a shortcut. Not sure if it's the right way, but nothing to lose, you know. We'll see where this takes me. Hoping to cut some time of walking, I guess. Looks like I think I'm taking a road less taken. Like there's no one going through this path, everyone's going the other way around. Also, this path is not that easy to walk around, so you have to be really careful where you put your step in. Yeah, so yeah, it's taking a while to get on. That's okay. I think I've reduced half of my time walking down the other way. But yeah, still it's nice. It's actually cool down here walking under the trees. Compared there, it's so hot. And yeah, I'm not wearing the right outfit for the day, but it was, like I mentioned before, it was cold, really cold in the morning. I was actually freezing. I am so shocked like how temperature changed in the last couple of hours. You know, sometimes when you're traveling, the best part is like you get to see this unique different views, like compared to your daily routine. Like let's say every day you have a routine where you just see the same stuff, you get really bored. Now I'm like in a different country doing something different on my own. I'm looking at these beautiful views, which is, I don't know, makes me feel really good. Like just makes you relax, even though I'm tired. Like I haven't slept in the last 2 days really good sleep. Like I've slept 5 hours each day, but I don't care. Like it's not affecting me like mentally, to be honest. Like I'm really happy to be here right now. That place over there, yeah, I had my lunch. Like I kind of had like a crepe and a donut with a beer. Yeah, it cost me like what, not even 4 quid. Yeah, it's really cheap and really good quality. So there is this 2 bridges in Berat. One is this and one is over there. I'm gonna cross that one across and take a bus and go back to Tirana. So I'm aiming to reach before 4, so I get like a couple of hours of daylight to do something in Tirana and then head to hostel, you know, take a shower. Yeah, I have to take a shower, I'm sweating. Yeah, and then maybe stay in the hostel tonight and just party or just go out if I meet someone. Hoping to do that. Yeah. It's okay, so that's it from Berat. So I'm leaving Berat now. I'm heading to the bus station to get a bus to Tirana. Yeah, it's a nice place. Like, I mean, I would recommend if you guys are coming here to stay for a night. Like, this is really beautiful. Maybe it depends on what season you're coming in, but yeah, this is really nice place. Like, look at this. You can have all these views for yourself with less tourist people around. It's so beautiful. Yeah, I'm actually, this trip I'm doing YouTube. That is great. Yeah. That is big. Look at this. That is big.
Faleminderit që zgjodhët Bank Kanton.